Welcome to STA Academy. Today, let us put some light on TSAP Chemistry chapter-wise important question for inter second year after the reduction of 30% of the syllabus. As we all know that IP has reduced its syllabus by 30%. Most of the students, they are in confusion what chapters that is deleted by IP after the reduction of 30%, and what are the important questions for intermediate 2021 exam. In this video, we will see the deleted chapters and the portion, as well as we will see the important question chapter wise for intermediate exam 2021. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us watch the video. Let us see chemistry chapter wise deleted portion for intermediate second year for the subject chemistry. The first chapter solid state, there are some topics that is deleted by IP that is mentioned here. Solution chapter number 2, they have deleted the topic abnormal molar masses. Electrochemistry, batteries, fuel cell, corrosion, collision theory, that is deleted. Surface chemistry, catalysis and emulsion, that is deleted. General principle of metallurgy, complete chapter is deleted by intermediate board. Next, P block, oxides of nitrogen structure only, phosphorus electropic form, that is deleted. Preparation and properties of phosphine and different topics, that is deleted. It is mentioned here. D and F block and coordination compounds, some important compound of transition element, preparation and properties of KMnO4, that is deleted. Chemical reactivity of lanthanide, actinide, that is deleted from the chapter. The next is polymers, that complete chapter is deleted by IP. Biomolecules, saccharose, lactose and important polysaccharides, and there's some topics that is deleted. It is mentioned here. Chemistry in everyday life, entire chapter that is deleted. Next is chapter number 11, haloalkenes and halorines, polyhalogen compound is deleted. Next, organic compound containing CHO and alcohol, some commercial important of alcohol, that is deleted. 13th chapter, organic compound containing nitrogen, entire chapter is deleted. Next, we will see the important question of chemistry. The first chapter, solid state, we know that it carries 4 marks. The important question for solid state, Bragg equation, Schottky defect and Frinkel defect. Next chapter is solution, 2 plus 4 marks. 2 marks question is given here. Total in this video I have mentioned 15 BSQs. These are very important BSQs to get at least 2 marks in the chapter. Next, 4 marks question, RLBP, ideal solution, numerical problem, molarity of a solution. Next chapter is electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. We know that this chapter carries 6 marks, 2 plus 4. For 2 marks VSQs, I have mentioned 5 VSQs that is given here. 4 marks important question, that is Kohlrausch law, galvanic cell, electrolysis, Faraday first law of electrolysis, molecularity of reaction. These are very important question. At the same time, I have mentioned 2 numerical problems that is very important to get you maximum marks in this chapter. Next chapter is surface chemistry. It carries 4 marks. I have mentioned 2 SAQs, adsorption and colloidal solution, very important question. Practice this question to get at least 4 marks. Next chapter is P block. We have 2 marks question. I have mentioned here 17 BSQs. These are very important BSQs for the chapter. It will fetch you minimum 2 marks. Next is 4 marks. Important question that is given here. Very important question. Practice each and every question to get 4 marks from this chapter. Next chapter is D and F block, coordination compound. 2 marks question is given here. These are the list of 12 VSQs. It will give you maximum marks in your IP. Next is 4 marks question. 4 SAQs I have mentioned here. Interstitial compound, characteristic properties of transition elements. The most important question in this chapter is Vernier's theory of coordination compound and explain the term ABCD. These are very important questions. Practice this to get maximum marks in your exam. Next chapter is biomolecules, 2 plus 4. 8 VSQs I have mentioned here: carbohydrate, sugar, classified reducing and non-reducing sugar, aldopentose, keto, heptose. These are very important question. Methods of preparation of glucose and essential amino acid, RNA, nucleic acid. 4 marks question I have given 4 marks question, very important. And next is haloalkenes and halogens. Most of the students of inter-second year, they have a problem in organic chemistry. Many students face a problem in organic chemistry. Why? Because the reason is the answer is tough. Students face difficulty to answer those questions. To reduce your difficulty, to remove your burden, I have given very important VSQs. It will help you to give maximum marks. I have given here 6 VSQs, as well as I have also given 7 SAQs, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 SAQs that will give you maximum marks in your upcoming exam. Next chapter and the last chapter of organic chemistry and the chemistry last chapter, 12th chapter, CHO. In this we have given 2 marks question, 6 2 marks question and 4 marks question. If you see the first one, acidic nature of phenol, is very important question, and second one is oxidation and reduction, third one. Why? Because this third question sometime it will give you 8 marks. The reason is, if you see all the intermediate paper of second year, students, they know that they will ask for reactions. Bit number 21. Bit number 21 is very important. The reason is, every time the board of intermediate in all the exams, they ask a question A, B, C, D for bit number 21. So for that, if you practice this 13, I am sure that will give you 8 marks in your IP. And in this chapter, the last chapter, I have given you 7 SAQs. Practice these SAQs, you will get maximum marks in organic chemistry. This is brief explanation of deleted chapter of chemistry, as well as important question of chemistry. If any student have any doubt in organic chemistry or in any numericals which I have mentioned in the important question, you can write in the comment so that we can make a separate video for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified, and smash that like button.